friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday January 24th to Saturday January 30, 2021. These are all digital and printable deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app, so you can combine with digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with the first deal. So my first deal, it's Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's also sell $3.49 each. You can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. It's total $6.98. You can use one $5 off 2 Colgate instant coupon on Coupon Center. It's printed on January 17th. You can use 2.75 off Colgate Max Fresh printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $6.50. Pay or roll only just 48 cents and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $4.52 money maker. The next deal is select Colgate toothpaste or toothbrush deal. Spend $15 on Colgate toothpaste or toothbrush and get back $7 ECB. They also have limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate sensitive toothpaste 6 OZ, it's $15.18. It's $7.59 each. Make sure check which one it's included. You can use one $3 off $12 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. You can use 2.75 off Colgate printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $4.50. Pay or roll $10.68 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.68 or $1.84 each. Check back on Sunday for more digital coupon. The next deal is select Colgate toothbrush, mouthwash and toothpaste deal and Colgate toothpaste deal. If you have this $4 off $16 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Spend $10 on Colgate Oral Care and get back $5 ECB, and buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. Both has a limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate mouthwash 16.9 OZ, it's $11.18. It's $5.59 each. You can also buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, it's $6.98. It's $3.49 each. The totals come out $18.16. You can use one $4 off $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. You can use one $5 off 2 Colgate instant coupon on Coupon Center. You can use 2.75 off Colgate Max Fresh printable coupon on Colgate.com. They have limit 4 per household. You can also use 2.75 off Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on Colgate.com. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $6.16 and get back $5 ECB for toothbrush and get back $5 ECB for toothpaste. The final cost is free. The next deal is Crest Scoop mouthwash deal. Buy 1 Crest Scoop mouthwash and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $4.79. You can buy 2 Crest Scoop mouthwash 1 liter. It's $9.58. It's $4.79 each. You can use one $2 off $8 Crest Scoop or Oral-B CVS CRT. Also, we have one $1 off Scoop mouthwash digital coupon. The total coupon is $3. Pay or roll only just $6.58 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal is Irish Spring body wash or bar soap deal. Buy 2 body wash and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 3 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 2 Irish Spring body wash 18 FLOZ, it's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. You can use 2.75 off Irish Spring body wash coupon on irishspring.com. You can use one $2 off 2 Iris Spring Body Wash CVS CRT. Also, you can use $1 off 2 Iris Spring Body Wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $4.50. Pay or roll only just $3.50 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 25 cents each. The next deal is Gold Bond Lotion or Cream deal. Spend $20 on Gold Bond product and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Gold Bond Ultimate Restoring Skin Therapy Lotion, it's $11.79. Also buy one Gold Bond Ultimate Age Defense Hand Cream, it's $8.59. The totals come out $20.38. You can use one $4 or $20 any lotion or cream CVS CRT. Also, we have $1 of 50 cents of Gold Bond Ultimate product printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have $1.50 of Gold Bond Ultimate product digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll only just $13.38 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.38 or $1.69 each. The next deal is Select Eucerin or Aqua 4 deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 OZ. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $4 off $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 off Eucerin lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. It's no longer available. Use one $2 off Eucerin lotion digital coupon. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $11.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Paparazzi Nail Deal. It's exclude kids. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail care. It's $5. Use one $1 of $5 Paparazzi nail care CVS CRT. Also, if you have $1 of Paparazzi facial wipe and mask CVS CRT, you can attach with this deal. Maybe glitch. Pay or roll $3 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic deal. If you have this $5 off $20 CVS CRT and $5 off Revlon mystery coupon, spend $15 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 6 per household. Buy one Revlon Photo Ready concealer, it's $10.79. Also, you can buy one Revlon cream eyeshadow, it's $9.29. The totals come out $20.08. Use one $5 off $20 Revlon Cosmetics CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 off Revlon CVS mystery coupon. It's printed on January 17. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $10.08 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $5.08 or $2.54 each. The next deal is NYX Cosmetic deal. Spend $12 on NYX Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 NYX lip liner. It's $4.39. Also, you can buy one NYX matte liquid lipstick. It's $7.79. The totals come out $12.18. You can use one $4 off $12 NYX Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $8.18 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.18 or $1.59 each. The next deal is Wet n Wild Cosmetic deal. Spend $10 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 3 per household. Buy 2 Wet n Wild Bro Kit. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. You can use one $4 off $10 Wet n Wild Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5.98. and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic Deal. Spend $15 on Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy one Maybelline foundation, it's $8.49. Also buy one Maybelline Fit Me blush, it's $6.49. You can use one $2 off Maybelline digital coupon. Also, we have one $2 off Maybelline printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $10.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal. Buy 3 Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Neutrogena Makeup Remover Facial Cleansing Towel Wipe 21 CT. It's $22.77. It's $7.59 each. Must buy on cosmetics section. You can use one $5 off 2 Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 off Neutrogena Cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $14.77 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only $4.77 or $1.59 each. The next deal is Clean and Clear Facial Care Deal. Buy 2 Clean and Clear and get back $3 ECB or buy 3 and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Also, they have sale buy 1 get 1 40% off. You can buy 2 Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Jelly Mask. It's $5.58. It's $3.49 each. You can use one $3 off Clean and Clear Acne product CVS CRT. Pay or roll $2.58 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is free plus 41-cent money maker. The next deal is Gillette and Venus Razor or Refill Deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus Razor and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Venus Woman Razor, it's $9.99. Also, you can buy 1 Gillette Men's Skin Guard Razor, is $11.29. The totals come out $21.28. Use one $5 off $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 off Gillette or Venus Razor CVS CRT. Also, we have one $3 off Gillette Men Razor digital coupon and $3 off Gillette Venus Woman digital coupon. The total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $8.28 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 28 cents or 14 cents each. The next deal is healthcare deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Vicks Vapor Cough Ointment 3.53 OZ. It's $19.99. It's $9.99. Use one $5 off 2 Vicks Cold Remedy CVS CRT. Also, you can attach with this deal $5 off $18 any cold cough and flu remedy CVS CRT. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $9.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal is Household Deal Scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 CVS gift card. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Centrum Mini Multivitamin for adult 50 plus 180 count. It's $17.98 because it's buy one get one 50% off. It's $11.99 each. Buy 2 Nature Made Vitamin C 100 count. It's $11.99. It's buy one get one free. The totals come out $29.96. Use one $6 off $30 any vitamin purchase CVS CRT. Use one $4 of any Centrum product digital coupon. Use one $4 of any Centrum product printable coupon. Use one $2 of Nature Made Vitamin CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Nature Made Vitamin app only coupon. And also we have one $2 of two Nature Made Vitamin digital coupon. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $9.96 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is free. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend 30 and get back $10 CVS gift card. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer, it's $19.99. Also, you can buy two Nature Made Vitamin D3 100 count, it's $10.49. It's on buy one get one free. The totals come out $30.48. You can use one $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use one $6 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of Nature Made Vitamin CVS CRT. Also use one $2 of Nature Made Vitamin app only coupon. Also we have one $2 of two Nature Made Vitamin digital coupon. The total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $13.48 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is only $3.48 or $1.16 each. The next deal is household deal scenario 3. You can buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer, it's $19.99. Also we have this Tide Liquid 37 to 46 OZ, it's $5.94. Also you can buy one Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT, it's $4.94. The totals come out $30.87. Use one $5 or $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $6 of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon and also $2 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $15.87 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is only just $5.87 or $1.95 each. The next deal is Pamper and Easy Up Ninja Mask or Diaper Deal. Buy 3 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $9.99 each. Buy 2 Pamper Jumbo Pack Diaper, it's 16 to 32 CT, it's $19.98. You can buy one Ninja Mask Jumbo Pack 11 to 14 CT, it's $9.99. The totals come out $29.97. Use one $3 of two Pamper Diaper digital coupon. Use one $3 of Ninja Mask Nightmare Underwear digital coupon. Also, if you have one $5 of $20 Baby Cat CVS CRT, the total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $18.87 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $8.97 or $2.99 each. The next deal is You Buy Cortex deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 3 You Buy Cortex Light Day Panty Liner. It's $4.47. Also they have buy 1 get 1 50% off and it's $1.79 each. Use one $3 off 3 paid liner CVS CRT. Pay or roll $1.47 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free plus 53-cent money maker. The next deal is Boost Nutrition Drink Deal. Buy 2 Boost drink and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. This one, the Boost Glucose Control on sale $9.99 each. Buy 2 Boost Glucose Control 6 pack, it's $19.98. Use one $5 off 2 Boost nutritional drink printable coupon on coupon.com. You can use one $4 off $20 any nutritional drink CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 off 2 Boost nutritional drink digital coupon. It's possibly glitch. The total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Hallmark card deal. Buy 4 Hallmark card and get back to $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. This time they not particularly mark $2 each. You can buy $1 also. Buy 4 Hallmark card $3.96. It's 99 cents each. You can use one $3 off 2 Hallmark card CVS CRT. Pay or roll 96 cents and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is free plus $2.04 money maker. The next and final deal is food deal, Arizona tea deal. They have on sale 4 for $2 only. Buy 12 Arizona sweet tea is $6. You can use $1 of $6 any beverage purchase CVS CRT. Pay or roll $5. The final cost is only just 42 cents each. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. Hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.